Hello, ladies and gentlemen. In today's video, we are taking and going to solve a case study from chapter Quadratic Equation for class 10th. This case study is very easy but very interesting. And let's study the question given. The question is saying that a playground is shaped like a triangle as shown in the figure. Many students and adults are playing walking around the area. This is the given triangle, and in the bottom line it says in the given right angle triangle, which is a playground, the length of the sides is x meter and x minus 21 meter. The area of the triangle is 135 meter square, and you have three questions. In the first part, asking about the value of x. In the second part, asking about the length of AC, and in the bottom line, it is asking for the perimeter of the playground. For that, let's come to the white page. So here is the given thing which was mentioned in the question. This is the figure. This is x meter and this is x minus 21 meter. And the given thing is area of this triangle is 135 meter square. So as you know, the area of right angle triangle is 1 upon 2, the base multiplied with height. So this thing will be equal to 135. Now, which one is the base? This is the base and this is the height. So x minus 21 into x equals to 135. Shifting this 2 on the right side, and you will have x square, x into x, and x into 21 is 21x equals to 270 when you multiply 2 with 135. Shifting this thing on the right hand side, left hand side, and you will have this a quadratic equation. To solve a quadratic equation, you have multiple ways. One is middle term splitting, other is the quadratic formula. I'm going to choose the quadratic formula, which is easy and reliable in this condition. But before that, I'm writing formula. What is this is the formula minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a, where d equals to b square minus 4ac. This d is called the discriminant. So first of all, I'm going to compute the value of d so that it will be easy for me to put this value in the formula. So d equals to b square, which is, what is b? This is minus 21. So minus 21 square minus 4 into a into c. A is 1 and c is minus 270. So 1 into minus 270. So d is equal to the square of this thing will be 441. Negative and negative becomes positive, and when you multiply them, it will be 1080. After adding, this will give you 1521. Now placing the values in this, x equals to negative. The value of b, which is minus 21, plus minus the value of d in the under root, this is 1521 upon 2a, a is 1. So x equals to negative and negative becomes positive 21 plus minus, and the root value of 1521 is 39 upon 2. Here is the interesting thing that you cannot take the negative case, because when you take the negative case, it will become 21 minus 39. Overall, you will get a negative value which will represent x, and x is length and length cannot be negative. So this negative case is not possible and not considerable for us. So I'm just going to take the plus sign. So this will be 21 plus 39 upon 2. This is 60 upon 2 gives you 30. So the value of x is 30 meter, and this is the first answer. In the second part, it is asking about the length of AC, but before that, we have to calculate this. For that we should know the value of these. So this is 30, we just obtained that value. This will be 30 minus 21, and this is 9 meter. Since this is a right angle triangle, that means we can use PGT, Pythagoras theorem, in this. That will be the square of AC is equal to AB square plus BC square. Coming to the next page. I just told you in this right angle triangle you will write AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC square equals to AB. What was AB? AB was 30. So this is 30 square. What was BC? It was 9. So 9 square. So AC square equals to 900 plus 81. So AC square is equals to 981. Put or share this square on the right hand side. So this will become under root of 981 meter. Okay, so this is the value of AC. If you want to find the value, closest value of this will be 31.87 or something somewhere. This is approx value. I'm just writing it in a rough manner, but it will be somewhere 31 point something. Now in the third part, it is asking for the perimeter. So what is the perimeter? Perimeter. This is the third part. Perimeter is the sum of all sides. So this will be AB plus BC plus CA. So AB is 30, BC is 9, and ACA, which is AC also, this is root 981. So this 39 plus root 981, this much meter.